Hello all, good evening. Welcome to ServiceNow Masterclass. I welcome you all people to Rajco Technologies ServiceNow Masterclass. So without getting any delay, let's start the masterclass. So today's masterclass will be like 90 minutes. Okay, so 90 minutes to 2 hours it will be. So please take a break and just sit properly. Okay, and let's start the session. Okay. So now, before starting the session, let me introduce myself. Natraj. People call me Raj. So I am from Hindupur, Andhra Pradesh. So I have around 15 years experience into IT industry. So I worked in Dell, I worked in HCL, Capgemini, HTC, etc. So I worked as a ETL developer. Then I started my career with a software engineer in 2011 in HCL Technologies, Bangalore. So then I moved to Step 2 Technologies, Hyderabad as a senior software engineer. Then I moved to Capgemini as a consultant. So in Capgemini, I worked different roles like a consultant, senior consultant, then a technical lead. I have worked these kind of roles in Capgemini Bangalore. So later I moved to Dell Technologies in Bangalore. So there I have worked as a senior technical lead, manager. So these kind of roles I have worked in Dell Technologies. Then I moved to HTC Global Services in Bangalore. So currently I'm working in HTC Global Services, Bangalore, as a senior technical manager. So my journey is like from software engineer to senior technical manager. Okay, so this is my journey. And I own this company, Rajco Technologies. Many of you people are my old students, maybe, or you don't know, maybe. So I started this company in 2021. So till now we have delivered. So I have delivered around 100 plus batches on Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud. So all these things, 100 plus batches I have delivered. So from our institute, thousands of people learned and thousands of people got the jobs here. Okay. So before proceeding, I'll be showing you our social media handles. Okay. So just go through this. If you see, this is our website, rajcloudtech.com. So I am sending you this in Zoom chat. So please, if you go through this, we have different courses like Snowflake, Azure, Power BI, AWS, SAP, data science, Python, etc. So you can refer to these, your family and friends. So this is our YouTube channel, Raj Cloud Tech. We have around 36.6K subscribers. So please take 1 second time and please subscribe to this. And also this is our Instagram page. So please follow our page for more. And also this is my, if you see, this is my LinkedIn profile. So please connect with me so that we can all connect together. Okay. So now, so today's agenda is like, what is ServiceNow? So why ServiceNow is booming? And what exactly we are learning in ServiceNow, and trainer will show you so how the real-time projects are, how ServiceNow look like, how easy to learn ServiceNow. So all these things will the trainer will showcase to you. Okay. So now before going to this, I wanted to ask you one question. So how many of you from non-IT backgrounds? Can you reply as non-IT? How many of you from non-IT backgrounds? Can you reply non-IT in Zoom chat, please, quickly? How many of you from non-IT? Okay. So I see Sai Teja, Dattu Yadav, Sudha, Chandrasekhar, Pavan, Prakash, Giridhar, Anil, Venkatreddy, Srikanth, Pavan, Chandrasekhar, okay, Vasanta, Vijay Singh, Sai. And how many are like moving from non-IT to IT? Means you are already working in non-IT. So can you, if you're already working, then you can you text as working? If you're already working, can you text as working, please? Just show as working. Okay, you're already working. Okay. Now, how many of you are freshers? Can you text us freshers? Fresher. If you're a fresher, can you text us fresher? Okay, Sai Sujit is fresher. Radhi is working. Indu Reddy is fresher. Okay, good. Chandrasekhar is a fresher. Okay. And how many of you are really struggling to switch the jobs? Means you are stuck into a job. Okay. For example, you are working in a company, whether it is a non-IT or an IT company. Okay. So how many of you are struggling? Okay, to change your job, or like you are you're working in a company with 5 lakh per annum, uh, but you are unable to change your job. Okay, due to whatever the reason. So can you replace stuck? Please replace stuck. Okay. Okay. Soumya, Pushpa, Divya, Pawan. Good. Okay, fine. No problem. We will show you today. So how to come out of your job. Okay, for sure. So after 3 months, you will be in IT job with a good package. I can guarantee you that. Okay, if you follow me. So then how many are working in IT jobs? Means you are working as a support role. Just put it your role. If you are a support in your support role, you put it. If you are a Java developer, put it as a Java. If you are a Informatica developer, you put it as Informatica. Whatever your technology, please put the technology here. Give the technology here. .NET developer, IDMC, CDM developer, change manager, .NET, Snow admin, publisher, IT support, Informatica admin, PMO, ETL, QA. So we have all people. Okay. How many of you are career gap? You are having career gap. Can you put it as career gap? Can you put it as career gap, please? Okay, Vignesh. So then Mansoor, Srikanth, Dattu, Anil Reddy, Pavan. Okay, you are how good. No problem. No problem at all. So if you have 10 years career gap, also you can get a job. Okay, so no need to worry. Okay, in 2021, when I started this 2021, 2022, okay, people are having 15 years career gap, also got the jobs, and they are successfully working without any job support. Okay, we will give you guarantee that you can easily get a job. Okay, and you will easily do the job without job support, without proxy, no job support, please. Okay, so that is my major goal. Okay, but I can give you guarantee when, if you attend the live sessions daily, if you practice, if you listen all the questions and practice daily at least 2 to 3 hours, then ask the resume for with us, and then ask the interview questions, then directly go to the interview. You will easily select. Okay. Okay, don't worry, guys. Don't worry. I'm here for you. Okay. So now let's quickly move. Okay. So why that means why from Rasto Technologies only? Okay. So what you will gain here? Okay. So you will gain ServiceNow admin plus development, platform expertise, and again real-time project, please. Real-time project experience, best practices. Okay, so means real-time concepts only. And you will get the certification from Rajco Technologies, or if you want to do ServiceNow certification, you can also do that. And we will build your resume based on your career gap, based on your IT experience, based on non-IT experience. Okay, for all these things, I'll be there for you. Okay, we'll be giving the career guidance to you. Okay, so in Rajco Technologies, what you will get it, you will learn, not only just learn, practice, not only just practice, certify and succeed, please. Okay, so that is the major goal which I have. Okay, now let's go to this. See, guys, why many people are failing to get an IT job, or to switch the IT job, or to switch from non-IT to IT? Why exactly they are failing? This is the main four reasons. Okay, number one, nowadays everything can be learned in YouTube or ChatGPT or any other AI tool. Okay, so everyone can learn. But the thing is, when you learn like that, you will be confused. Okay, there should be someone to hold your hand. Okay. So if there is someone to hold your hand, then you can easily get a job. So YouTube videos, yes, you can learn, but those are not in a series, or those are not in a clear cut manner, or those are not in like they are inconsistent. Okay. So maybe because see YouTube, why mainly because of the views. Okay. So random people will upload the YouTube videos, okay, for the views, and we will watch them. We will not understand finally. Next, the major thing is project experience. So nobody will give in YouTube that this is the project we have worked on. You in your project, these are the things it will be there. Nobody will guide you in YouTube videos. Okay. So, but in Rajco Technologies, our trainer will show you how the real-time project is and what are the things in the real-time project. Okay, for sure. And also, as I told you, right, mentorship should be there. There should be someone to hold your hand. If there is no hand holding, then you will not succeed. Okay, so that is what we do. Next, interview preparation. Okay, so everyone will be having fear to prepare the interview. Okay, so you should leave your fear first. Okay, that I will come to later. So these are the main four reasons people will fail. Okay, so with Rajco Technologies, you can come out of all these things. Okay, now again, current IT job market. Okay, so many tools, many technologies, many programming languages, many tools. Which one you want to learn? That is why. So to break this, I started this training with my company. Okay. So with but as of really I'm saying, okay, I will show you one thing. Okay. So how the service now jobs are. Okay. To just show you what I have done is I just uploaded a random service now developer resume in Naukri. Okay. When I uploaded, just see my mail, guys. I uploaded on, okay, I uploaded on on May 31st. You see, please. May 31st, I created a Naukri account. Just I want to understand, okay, whether there are really ServiceNow jobs are there, or simply people are saying ServiceNow jobs are there, okay. So that is what I have done. I just uploaded on May 31st, 2026. See, these many mails I got it. And daily I am getting at least 6 to 7 calls with just I put it 4 years experience. Okay, 3.5, 3.2 to 4 years experience. I put it, if you see, these are the jobs I got it. Within like, if you calculate just weekdays, just 4 5 weekdays. Okay, that's it. You see here, guys, 654 such appearances. I'm not applying anything, just few only applied. Okay, see, I applied only 51 jobs. That's it. Okay, in a day, I just uploaded one resume, ServiceNow resume, and I put the 4 years experience. Okay, and what I have done, I just uploaded 51 jobs. Okay, then see, guys, 654 such appearances I got it. 48 recruiter actions means 48 people are trying to reach me. Okay, you can see the demand. Okay, so that is why in my Instagram videos also I told the demand is huge, but people are less. Whoever knows service now, the people are less. Okay, I wanted to show you. Yes, guys. Yeah. So I wanted to show you that is why there really I'm saying really I'm see I whatever I'm saying now I'm not telling blindly. I spoken with around 20 30 guys who are working in service now. My colleagues or whatever, or those who are really working. I asked them how the job market is, how is the current job market is. Then only I started this masterclass. Okay, simply see, I don't want to tell anything, please. Okay, so you no need to worry. Now again, why companies are choosing service now? Okay, so as I told you, old see what is service now and all. Our trainer Maanvir will tell you. Okay, so I don't want to tell again. I'll tell now. Again, he will tell now. No, he will tell again why service now is. Now coming to the packages. Okay, what are the packages for service now? If you see here, for a fresher, you will get easily 3 to 6. Entry level means next to entry level. If you are having 2 years experience, 6 to 10 lakh, 2 to 3. Then if you are having 4 plus, okay, you will get 10 to 16. If you go more and more experiences, these are the packages you will get it. Okay. So you no need to worry, guys. Okay. You no need to worry. So this is the current job market we have, and we will surely hold your hand till you get a job. This is my promise. Okay. So we will prepare for the resume. If you don't know how to apply in the Naukri, just WhatsApp us. We will send me the resume, send me your link, what profile credentials. Okay. We will upload for you. We will apply for you if you want. Okay. Our goal is you should get a job. That's it. Okay. That is our goal, guys. I'm not saying simply, please. Okay. If I have some meaning, I'll say it. Otherwise, I'll not say it. Okay. So, guys, are you feeling confidence? Are you getting confidence by seeing all this? Are you getting confidence, please? Are you getting confidence?
Raj,
Yes.
sorry,
Now, without delaying,
I,
let's not waste time. Let me introduce our trainer, Mr. Manvir. He is having around 9 plus total experience is 13 years, I guess. In ServiceNow, 9 plus years. He is working as an architect, ServiceNow architect in Deloitte. Okay. So please listen carefully what he is saying. And I will tell you after the masterclass, I'll show you more things. Okay. I have many more things to show you. Don't leave the masterclass, please. Okay. We have many things to show you. I have it. I have. Okay. So I'll show you after the session. Now I am giving this call to Manvir. Over to you, Manvir.
Thanks, Nataraj garu. Hello, everyone. I think I'm audible to everyone. Please confirm. Yes, thank you. As Nataraj garu introduced me, so myself, Maanvir, I have around 13 plus years of IT experience, and into ServiceNow, I have 9 plus years of experience. Currently, I am working as technical lead and architect for one of the big four organization, that is Deloitte, as mentioned. And I'm basically from Tirupati, and from last 4.5 years, I'm active as a freelance tutor as well. And I have trained over like 300 plus students, and almost 80% of the students got placed in top MNCs, and they're working successfully into the service now. So coming to this particular session into particular service now. So I am master certified into service now ITSM module. So that includes both admin and development of ITSM modules. So which includes like integrations, customizations, configurations, implementations, and everything. Now let's move to the service now. So I'm just sharing my screen. So let me know if my screen is visible. Please confirm in the chat if my screen is visible. And also please confirm if my voice is loud and clear. Okay. So thanks for confirming. Thanks for confirming. So before moving to the concepts, so what is ServiceNow? So what is ServiceNow? So can someone confirm on the chat or like unmute and tell me like what is ServiceNow? So if you guys are not aware, that is fine.
ServiceNow is a ticketing tool,
Right?
so where we can make many changes to servers, make create incidents for problems, create changes for upgrade or downgrade or something, installation, and create service requests for new services, new access or something.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So this is the misconception about the service now. So I'm not telling like what you have mentioned is wrong. So this is the misconception about the service now. So if anyone asks or like someone like feels like service now is just a ticketing tool. Service now is not just a ticketing tool. So it's beyond the ticketing tool. So service now is nothing but it's a cloud-based platform that helps the organizations to automate the process. Right. Someone mentioned it's beyond that. Yes, Sharath. Right. So ServiceNow is cloud-based platform that helps organizations to automate the process and improves the efficiency. I'm not just giving the definition. So what do you mean by automating the process? So for example, let's take an example. Forget about ServiceNow. Let's take an example. So you guys are holding a bank account in some XYZ bank, right? So you have banking application. You have banking application. So in that banking application, you are trying to fetch the last 6 months bank statement. So, but unfortunately, that particular application is not returning you like last 6 months bank statement. So immediately what you will do? So you will call to the customer care, right? So you will raise a complaint saying that, so I am unable to fetch last 6 months bank statement. So once you raise a complaint, immediately you will get the ticket number via SMS or to the registered email ID, right? So once that particular ticket is in progress, so you will get the update saying that, so your ticket is in progress, your ticket is resolved with this particular resolution information. So this kind of alerts you will be getting. So this is called as automation. This is called as automation. That means, so whatever the complaint that you have raised, you will be kept informed about the what is the process or what is the progress on that particular ticket. So the best example for this particular automations, you can take Amazon or Flipkart deliveries as well. So you will go to Amazon.com. So once you go to the Amazon.com, so you will go through like catalogs that are available. So whatever it is, like your mobile phone categories, or like whatever the peripherals you will be using, so that peripheral categories you will be going that. So and you will be adding those to the cart. So once you add those to the cart, you will go to checkout page and you will buy those particular items by mentioning your delivery address and payment page. So once that is done, your order will be placed. So once your order is placed, so that particular ticket will be assigned to, so the seller, assigned to the seller. Seller is nothing but whoever going to like deliver your product. So once the seller receives that particular product, so he will deliver that from his procurement team. So once that particular order is out for delivery, you will be getting notified saying that your order is out for delivery, your order reached so and so, your order will be like delivering on so and so date, like that. So you will be getting informed via the emails or the notifications. These are called as automation of business process to improve the efficiency. Why we are improving the efficiency here? For example, if you won't get the notifications, what you will do? You will call to the customer care and you will ask like, this is what I have ordered, where is my order? So instead of like maintaining the separate IT desk for this particular calls itself, so ServiceNow is going to automate everything in the background by using the workflows or automation process. So that is called ServiceNow. And again now, ServiceNow we have informed as cloud-based platform. So what is cloud-based platform or application? First of all, what is cloud? What is cloud? Anyone have any idea what is cloud? Can you confirm in the chat
Data.
if you are aware? Sorry,
Data.
virtual data, right? So cloud is nothing but it's a virtual servers hosted in internet, hosted in internet. For example, so if you are typing the gmail.com address in your website, so address in your browser, so that is the website. Gmail.com is the website that you are searching in this particular browser. So what will happen in the backend? So in the backend, the gmail.com will be converted into IP address. For example, it will be like 192.191.0.1.1 something. So what will be the like virtual address that particular gmail.com hosts? So it will hit in the internet. It will hit to the servers in the internet and it will return the result to the end user with gmail.com page. So that means cloud is nothing but it's a group of servers that are hosted in the internet. So this particular cloud platforms are nothing but you don't need any third party applications to access cloud-based platforms. You don't need any third-party applications to access cloud-based platforms. For example, to access this particular service now. So to access ServiceNow application, you just need active internet connection plus browser. That might be anything, Chrome or like Edge, whatever the browser, Mozilla Firefox or Opera, whatever the browser. So internet plus browser plus system. That might be laptop or desktop, or that might be mobile or tab. So to access this particular ServiceNow application, you just need a internet plus browser plus system. You don't need any other third-party applications to access this particular ServiceNow application in the cloud. So as it's completely hosted in the cloud, so completely means 100% it is hosted in the cloud environment. So you don't need any third-party applications to access this particular service now. Right. Now coming through like background of this particular cloud. So this particular cloud offers three types of cloud services, cloud service models. What are those? Those are IaaS, then we have PaaS, then we have SaaS. So these are not important for learning the service now, but just to understand the ServiceNow platform, how it is built in the backend. So these are important. So IaaS is nothing but infrastructure as a service. Next, PaaS is nothing but platform as a service. Next, SaaS is nothing but software as a service. Now coming to, so what is SaaS? SaaS is nothing but, so offers cloud offers consumption of product on subscription basis. Is called as SaaS. Example, we have Google Cloud, Apple Cloud, or whatever. So this particular cloud-based applications, even you have Gmail. So this particular software as a service is nothing but, so it offers the consumption of products on subscription basis. Some might be free or some might be paid. So for example, on Google Cloud, so up to 15 GB of storage, it will be free. After that, if you want to utilize, you have to pay something to Google. So that means you can access the software in the software as a service model, but you cannot edit or modify anything in software as a service. You cannot edit or you cannot modify or you cannot customize anything. Now coming to infrastructure as a service. So infrastructure as a service is nothing but it provides raw material such as infrastructure to build a software. For example, so we have Amazon EC2 instances. So this infrastructure as a service is nothing but, so it provides the platform to build a software. For example, if you want to build a software, so we will be requiring, so this particular backend databases or softwares or anything. So infrastructure as a service, it provides just a raw material to build the software. Now coming to platform as a service. So this is very important. So coming to this particular platform as a service, so it provides developers to build and deploy the software. So example, we have Salesforce. So that means in the platform as a service, we can customize our own applications. We can deploy it in different applications as well. So now coming to the ServiceNow, so on what model does this particular ServiceNow falls under? So ServiceNow falls under both SaaS and PaaS. ServiceNow falls under both SaaS and PaaS cloud models. So how we can use the ServiceNow as SaaS, that is software as a service. So for example, if we have ServiceNow environment, in the ServiceNow environment, there will be pre-built or inbuilt modules or applications called as incident module, change module, request module, knowledge module. So like that, we have a lot of like modules that are available in this ServiceNow. So in that particular ServiceNow, so without altering those particular modules, so we can use that particular things as software as a service. Now coming to platform as a service, so we can customize the service now as per customer requirement or as per our own needs or as per the organizational needs. We can customize the service now. We can deploy that particular code to another service now instances. Also, we can use the service now without customizing the applications or modules. So that's why service now falls under both SaaS and PaaS. Now, ServiceNow has introduced one more thing called as AI, yes, AIAS, that is AI as a service. AI as a service means artificial intelligence as a service. So this is game-changing path for ServiceNow. So ServiceNow has recently released its Zurich release and Australia release. So which are like mainly focused on this particular AI as a service, that is artificial intelligence as a service. So till now, any questions on the ServiceNow background? Anyone? Any questions? No? Thank you. Thanks for confirming. And if you can come to the ServiceNow. So this is the ServiceNow instance that it look like exactly to the real-time environments. In the real time, ServiceNow look like this. This is what the ServiceNow instance. We call it as personal developer instance. So the beauty of ServiceNow is, so it gives us personal developer instance to use. So using this particular personal developer instance, this personal developer instance is more or less the same way that real-time organization ServiceNow instances look like. In this particular personal developer instances, so if we have like necessary licensing. So this particular out of the box instance, it offers some of the modules for free of cost. For example, most of the ITSM modules, it offers free of the cost. So we can customize, we can configure, we can implement, we can integrate this particular ServiceNow instance as per our requirements. So that is the reason. So whatever the things that we are going to learn in the ServiceNow classes, entire things are considered as real-time projects. So that means we can practice our own like ServiceNow requirements in this particular instance. So whatever the instance that we are seeing now, it's free of cost. For creating this particular instance, you just need an email ID. That's it. With your email ID, you can register for this particular instance and you can get this particular instance from ServiceNow directly. So we are going to cover, so how to get this particular instance in the future classes also. So now everyone said that ServiceNow is a ticketing tool. Almost every answer is ServiceNow is a ticketing tool. So how these particular tickets are going to create in ServiceNow? So that one we are going to manage through one of the application or module called as incident module. So if you can go to the incident module in ServiceNow. So if you just type incident here, you can see if you type all. So these are all the incidents that are there in the ServiceNow instance. So this is just a demo purpose. This is a base instance. These are all the incidents that given by the demo data. So demo data means just for our practice purpose, ServiceNow has given this particular demo data. So now coming to, so I said that ServiceNow is beyond the ticketing tool. So I'm not going to explain how this particular ticketing works in the ServiceNow. So if I click on new, so you can see this particular incident form. So now let's discuss about, so what is a form, how to configure a form, how to automate this particular incident. For example, I have an incident, I have a caller, so and so caller, and so caller's location is XYZ. Whenever caller's location is XYZ, I want to auto assign this particular incident to some XYZ group or ABC group. That is one automation. And I have impact and urgency. If you can see, if I change the impact and urgency, I can see priority is automatically changing. So how this particular priority is automatically changing? How this is automated in the backend? So these things we are going to discuss. Now coming to this particular thing, so this one we call it as a incident form. So before going to discuss about incident form, so what is an incident? What is an incident? What is an incident? Anyone aware what is an incident? Unplanned activity, yes. Okay, so to give it in a like very detailed way, so forget about ServiceNow. Forget about ServiceNow. For example, you bought one mobile from the market. For example, it might be like iOS device or Android device, whatever. So in this particular mobile, so you are unable to send or receive the messages, right? So what is the functionality of that particular mobile? That mobile is used to like call to someone, or you have to receive the incoming calls. You need to send the messages or you will receive the messages from someone. But when you bought the mobile, you switched on it and your messaging application is not working. So that means the expectation from mobile or mobile feature is, so you have to send the messages and you will receive the messages. That is the feature of mobile that you bought. But that particular feature is not working as expected. Not working as expected. That is called as incident. So incident is nothing but unplanned interruption to a service is called as incident, or something is not working as expected is called as an incident, right? Something is not working as expected is called as an incident. So whenever something is not working as expected, so what we will do? So immediately you will call to the customer care, or if you have a ServiceNow instance, so instead of calling to the like customer care, you directly raise the ticket in the ServiceNow environment. Now coming to the ServiceNow. So why ServiceNow is booming in the market? So before discussing about the incident fully, so why ServiceNow is booming in the market? Why companies are preferring ServiceNow? Why suddenly there is a boom in ServiceNow market? Why suddenly there are a lot of opportunities for ServiceNow? So it is nothing but, so earlier in the past, so earlier companies used to have emails, Excel to maintain the data, manual approvers, etc. For example, when you have joined in a new company, so in the past, before like 2020s, or when company is not using this particular service now, so you have joined in a new company, so you need a laptop. At that time, what you will do? You will send an email to the service desk saying that, so I have joined in this particular so-and-so team, XYZ team. My employee ID is XYZ. I have joined in so-and-so date. I need an email. My manager asked to send you an email to allocate me a mission. That is either laptop or desktop. So this is how, so people use it to send the emails earlier. Now everything is automated. ServiceNow is centralized, automated everything through the ServiceNow application. So simple. Now in the ServiceNow application, if you can go to the catalogs, right, as a end user. So if you can go to this particular catalogs, here you can directly raise the like request. For example, you need like 27 inches monitor. So directly you can go here, 27-inch monitor, and directly you can raise the request in the ServiceNow. You can see. So this is the request that you are making, 27-inch, and this is the resolution, this is the aspect ratio, this is the brightness. So support split screen. Directly you are ordering. So once you order it, what will happen? A request will be created. That means a ticket will be created. So, and then ticket followed by a requested item. So requested item will be created. So people will work on this particular requested item and catalog tasks. How this is configured in the backend? How this particular workflow is running in the backend? So that is called automation in ServiceNow. That is called automation in ServiceNow. Once you raise the request, so which team works on this particular ticket? So if it goes for approvals, who will approve your request? Your manager or your manager's manager or your team lead? So how this is deciding in the backend? So this will decide in the backend by using the workflows or flow designers. So that is why, so ServiceNow market is booming in the market. ServiceNow like growth is booming in the market. ServiceNow jobs have high demand in the market. So now forget about this particular, so manual activities or that particular request. Coming back to the incident. right? So unexpected interruption to your service is called as incident, right? So now if you can see this particular incident form, so what is a form? What is a form? Anyone have any idea? So forget about service now. If you can go for any bank account opening or any passport office to apply for passport, what they will do, or else if you are joining your kids in the school, what they will do, so they will give you a form. What does that form contains?
Collection of
Information.
details or collection of field
Right,
here in ServiceNow.
right. Form is nothing but collection of fields. So what are fields? Fields are nothing but those who will like fields are nothing but those get the information from the end user. So these are all the fields. If you can see, so collection of this particular fields, we call it as a incident form. So here you have number field, caller field, category, subcategory. So these are all we call it as fields. These are all we call it as fields, right? So fields are nothing but, so this will collect the information from the end user. For example, caller. So who is the caller of this particular incident? Caller means the person who is going to report the incident, or the person who affected with this particular issue is called as caller. For example, caller is Abel tutor, right? So this guy is facing the issue related to, so he is unable to connect to VPN. He is unable to connect to VPN. This is the issue that this particular guy is facing. So unable to connect to VPN. This is the issue this particular guy is facing. So now he is selecting it as hardware or network, and then VPN related issue subcategory. So in the description, he will be giving detailed description. What are the steps that he is going to like? What are the steps that he is going to have to connect to the VPN? So why he is unable to connect to the VPN? That steps he will be giving. So once it is submitted, so it will be assigned to so one particular group based upon this particular category and subcategory. For example, you can see here this category is network. So in normal service now, what we will do, so if we save this particular incident, right? So this is how incident will get submitted in the service now. So once this particular incident gets submitted in the service now, automatically there will be service desk team in your company. So what that particular service desk team will do? So service desk team will monitor the incidents. They will monitor the incidents, and based upon category, subcategory, and description of the incident, they will assign this particular incident to particular group. For example, you can see this particular incident is nothing but, so it is related to network. User is unable to connect to the VPN. So they will assign this particular incident to network group. They will assign this particular incident to network group. This is a manual process. This is a manual process. But ServiceNow futures have automations. That means, so based upon the category and subcategory, I got a requirement from the client saying that based upon category and subcategory, or based upon category and subcategory, I need to assign this particular incident to a network group. So if category is network, subcategory is VPN, I need to assign this particular incident to network group by default. Network group by default. We can achieve this particular requirement in multiple ways. By using the scripting we can do, but without scripting we can do. So what is the main motto of ServiceNow? I forget to mention. The main motto of ServiceNow is low code, no code. So that means ServiceNow is working towards its evolution so that in future, so its coding should not be there. Coding should not be there almost. Like it is eradicating the coding so that so everything can be achieved by using the configurations itself. Sorry.
Sir. Yeah, someone is shared the screen. Now we can see it.
Are you guys able to see my screen?
Yeah, now.
Okay, thanks for confirming. So what ServiceNow is doing? So ServiceNow is doing to eradicate the coding or manual work, and it is working towards more automations and low code, no code platform. Now, before going to how we can implement this particular feature in ServiceNow, So let me introduce about myself. I have already introduced that I have, if someone have noticed, I have 13 years of IT experience and 9 years of service now. Where does that particular 6 years goes? Right. So I initially started my career into non-IT, as you guys are in. I initially started my career into non-IT or technical IT recruiter. So I worked in initial phase as technical IT recruiter. That means in some companies, I have worked as a recruiter where my job is to call the candidates based upon the job description. In Naukri, we will search the candidates and I will call the candidates. This is my job. So I stuck in that particular job for almost 5 to 6 years. Then in 2015 or 16, so in 2016 or 17, so I came to know that there is one tool or one application in the market called as ServiceNow. So at the time, ServiceNow don't have this much of automations also. It is new to the market. So we have to code everything. So as a non-technical guy, I don't know code. I don't know how to code. So then I learned this particular ServiceNow. So I had the misperception that so ServiceNow requires coding. I learned this particular ServiceNow, but I'm zero at coding. Then I cracked one interview in one MNC and I have joined there. So from day one onwards, I got the requirements. Without proxy or without support, I was able to complete my requirements. So in ServiceNow, almost 90% of the requirement you can complete without coding. With only configurations, you can do this particular ServiceNow requirements. So that is why, so I'm much confident about like teaching this particular service now, and I can confidently say that you guys can get the job without coding knowledge also, right? So now coming to this particular requirement. So when this particular category is network, subcategory is VPN, how this particular incident can be assigned to the network group. So for that purpose, we have an out of the box feature. Out of the box feature means ServiceNow inbuilt feature called as assignment lookup rules. Assignment lookup rules in ServiceNow. So for example, if I go to assignment lookup rules, right? In this particular assignment lookup rules, if I click on new, so if category is network, subcategory is VPN, then automatically I'm making this particular assignment group as network, right? I'm just saving it. Submit means saving it. Now, when I comes to this particular incident form again, if I go to incident.form again, right? So now, if my category is network, subcategory is VPN, you can see automatically assignment group came as network. Did we use any coding here? Any code did we used here? No, we haven't used any code. Similarly, in ServiceNow, 90% of the requirements we can achieve without coding itself. Even ServiceNow is working towards no code, low code platform where we can achieve the requirements with minimal scripting or no scripting. Right. So for example, I have one more requirement. So you can see here. So if I give like impact as 1 and urgency as 1, automatically priority is 1. If I give impact as 2 and urgency as 1, automatically priority is 2. Now I have one requirement. That requirement is, so impact I have till 4, right? So I need to add one more drop down here. So one more drop down like impact as 5. So let me note down the requirement. So that requirement is, please add a new drop down for impact as 5, very low. Next, urgency as 5. This is just for example, very low. So when impact is 5 and urgency is 5, automatically automatically populate priority to, I think up to 6 it's there now. Yes. So now automatically update the priority to 7, very low. This is my requirement, or this is my automation requirement. How can I achieve this particular automation requirement? First of all, my impact is up to 4 I have. I need to add one more drop down, 5 very low. Urgency, 5 very low I have to add. So now when I select impact as 5 and urgency as 5, automatically priority I need to set as 7, very low. How to achieve that requirement by using the automation? So very simple. So first of all, we have drop down options till 4 for the impact. We need to add one more drop down option for this particular impact as 5, very low. How to add the drop down options? For that purpose, we have multiple ways. So let me explain couple of ways how we can add this particular drop down options. So right click on this particular impact, go to configure dictionary. It will take some time. So if you can go to the configure dictionary, you can see the choices here. You can see choices here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you can add 5, very low, and value just give it as 5 for reference. And now let's save this one. Now you can see impact. 1 minute, let me refresh. Somehow it didn't got saved. Let me see again. Sequence, I'm giving it as 4. Inactive false, that is fine. Somehow it didn't get saved. Let me try in another way. Configure choices. So I'm just giving it as 5, very low. And sequence, I'm giving it as 5. I'm just adding and I'm just saving. You can see very low. So similarly for urgency, I'm adding this particular drop down like 5, very low. Same 5 numeric value. I'm just saving. So now you can see 5 very low. When I select this as 5 and impact as 5, automatically priority I need to set as 7, very low. But in the priority, we don't have 7 option. So we need to configure one drop down option here. So how we can configure drop down option? Again, right click, go to configure choices. Can give 7, very low. You can give 7 option and I'm adding it. Now you can see impact if I select as 5, urgency if I select as 5, priority should be 7, very low. This is the automation that I need to achieve on this particular incident form. So this automation again can be achieved with scripting or not scripting also. So without scripting, how can we achieve it? So we have assignment lookup rules for this one. So for setting this particular priority, so what we can do? So we can go to priority lookup rules. Priority lookup rules. You can see priority lookup rules in ServiceNow. If I go here and click on new, whenever impact is 5 and urgency is 5, what I am doing? I am setting this particular priority to number 7. So if I save this and if I come and refresh this particular form, and if I select the impact as 5, urgency as 5, you can see automatically priority is set to 7, very low. So did I use scripting here again? Did I use any scripting? No. So that is the beauty of ServiceNow. So in ServiceNow, without use of scripting, we can achieve multiple things which people don't know. So the demand for ServiceNow is very high because there are a lack or like scare for, so there are low skilled resources in ServiceNow market. Low skill resources who knows this particular platform concepts, how we can achieve so many things without coding in the market. So even I am in a panel for this particular Deloitte from last 1.5 years. I took almost 300 plus interviews over the weekends and weekday interviews. When I ask this type of questions, these are very simple basic questions. When I ask this type of questions, even 6 years of experience guys or 7 years of experience guys, they will explain about the scripting only. So why we need the scripting? So ServiceNow has its out of the box features where we can utilize without scripting also. So ServiceNow always recommends if there is a solution without scripting, we can use that particular solution instead of scripting. Now again, I will show one more requirement. So before this, let me drag one variable or one field to the form. For example, I have a location field. After color, I have a location field. If I save this, right, if I refresh, I get this location. So now my company has its ServiceNow instance throughout the world. For example, Deloitte has ServiceNow users from America, from Australia, from India, from UK, from like Japan. So like this ServiceNow instances, so they are using in multiple locations, right? So now when our caller is from, so for example, if I select Abel Tutor, his location is this one. So when our caller is from America, I need to auto assign this particular incident to America IT support. Whenever this particular caller is from India, I need to assign. So for example, whenever this caller is from India, let me refresh. India. So you can see automatically assignment group is India IT support. So like this, I need to achieve the requirement. So this is also type of a automation. You can see on the incident form only, I'm explaining third automation now. So that means without any manual efforts, so we are going to achieve these particular requirements without coding and without manual efforts. For example, so how we can achieve this particular requirement? This requirement also we can achieve by using the assignment lookup rules. So in the assignment lookup rules, if you can go here, if you can click on new, you can see if caller's location is India, I'm setting the assignment group to India IT support directly. So if the caller's location is something else, for example, Japan, I'm setting this particular assignment group to something called help desk, right? So this is the way we can do the automation on this particular location based assignments also. Location based assignments also we can do like this assignments. So that is the beauty of ServiceNow. So here also we are not using any coding. You can see location is India, automatically assignment group is India IT support. Did we use any coding here? No. We went with assignment lookup rules. So this is the beauty of ServiceNow. Without coding, we can do multiple things. And coming to one more thing. So request, coming to the request. So if you are a new joiner, you joined in the new company. So after you join in the new company, you will require a lot of things. JavaScript is needed. Yes, JavaScript is needed. So that is very rarely. As I mentioned, 90% of the requirements, we can achieve it through the configurations only. So remaining 10% of the requirements, you need this particular JavaScripting. So that particular JavaScripting also, we will be doing it from this scratch in our classes. Now coming to, so whenever you join in a new company, right? So you have to get lot of things. So laptop, email address, access request, like this, you need to get lot of things. So how to raise that particular request? So for that purpose also, so instead of raising like separate requests for each and everything, so we have one automated thing called as order guides. So if you go to the order guide, this is also a ServiceNow out of the box one. You can see new hire request. If you go to the new hire, so this is the out of the box one. That means already present in the ServiceNow. If you raise this particular request for new hire, so what group the person is joining. So for example, he is joining in IT department, right? So now I will select for Outlook, Word. You can see standard laptop with Adobe Photoshop software I need. 27-inch laptops, sorry, 27-inch monitor, then new email account. So what is the preferred email? For example, I need manvir@example.com. Then VPN. So then desk setup. So these are all the requests that I'm going to check out, and automatically again I'm checking out. Automatically a request will be created. So you can see request is created followed by multiple requested items. So in a single request, we have requested for, you can see email account, standard laptop, monitor, desk setup, and corporate VPN. So in a single request, we have requested for these many things. So how these are all going to configure in the backend? So these are the tickets. These are just a tickets. As someone mentioned, ServiceNow is a ticketing tool. But behind this particular ticket, what are the configurations that we have made? So that particular configurations we need to learn in this particular ServiceNow ITSM admin and development classes. Right. So any questions on the topics covered so far? Did it helpful? Yes, no need of sending emails to ServiceNow team. So directly, so they can log into the ServiceNow, and from the ServiceNow, they can raise this particular requests. Is it helpful for everyone? Like what are the topics that we covered so far? Can you please confirm on the chat? Vijay, you mentioned like, can you take change management? Yes, I can take the change management, but there are a lot of beginners here. So the topic, if I take, so it will get confused for everyone. Can you please tell about ServiceNow company and its competitor a bit more and its services with examples? Where do we use scripting in this job or job training if we had to use? Right. So in this particular ServiceNow, so let me give the overview of ServiceNow classes. So in this particular ServiceNow classes, we will be dividing it into two types. That is ServiceNow administration and then ServiceNow development. So in the ServiceNow administration, what we are going to cover? So we are going to cover incident management, problem management, then change management, then we have knowledge management, user management, group management, then roles management. So these are all the things we are going to cover in the ServiceNow administration. Now coming to the ServiceNow development or configuration, we are going to cover about forms configuration, lists configuration, then we have request management. So in the request management, and then glide APIs. So these particular glide APIs we will be used in client side scriptings and server side scriptings. Server side scripting. So we are going to use this scripting in this particular client side and server side scripting, including UI actions, then UI policies, we don't need any scripting, data policies, we don't need any scripting, integrations, we can do with scripting or with minimal scripting and with full scripting also, integrations. Then we have reports and dashboards, which comes under again administration part, not in the development, reports and dashboards. Then we have so ACLs, access controls, how data is controlled or how data is secured in the service now. Then couple of AI related features. So this particular base instance, it doesn't support AI related features, but I will show some of the videos which are from real-time organizations, how we can use this particular AI features in real-time companies. Along with this, so if there are any missed things, so I will be covering those also. So this is the journey map for ServiceNow ITSM development and admin. In client-side scripting, we will be covering client scripts. Server-side scripting, we will be covering business rules, schedule jobs, then scripting loads, then how to call the server-side values to the client side. This everything we will be covering. So we will be covering only ITSM and integrations, then basics of CI as it's related to only ITSM module. We will be not covering ITOM. So in the IT operational management, if you want to demo discovery, service mapping and everything, we will be requiring licensing in this particular ServiceNow instance. But base instance does not support licensing. That is the reason we are not covering ITOM. Real-time projects, yes, real-time. So whatever the things that we have covered now. So we have covered a couple of topics, right? Assignment lookup rules, data lookup rules. So these are all real-time projects only. So like this, for each and every topic, we are going to see at least 3 to 4 real-time concepts. What about service mapping? Service mapping won't be covered. Workflow automation and flow designer will be covered. And one more thing for your information, workflows are deprecated in ServiceNow from the recent releases. They have made flow designer as mandatory. Workflows are no longer going to be supported in ServiceNow. Do we work in sprints or how will be the work pressure? Yes, we work in the sprints. So we have Agile module in ServiceNow itself. You can see this is the Agile module where we have epics, stories, like enhancements, defects. These are all comes under that particular Agile methodology. I'm a fresher, passed out MBA last year. I have not worked in any company. How can I learn this ServiceNow tool? So I can say for non-technical background guys also, ServiceNow, it's very easy to learn. As I mentioned, so I'm also from non-technical background, but it made me very easy and comfortable to learn the ServiceNow and get the job. So regarding this particular fresher openings and interview calls, maybe Karthik can assist with you. Yes, scenario-based interview questions also I will be providing. So whatever the things that we are going to learn in this particular service now. So everything will be scenario-based only. So as I have 9+ years of experience, so I will be taking the difficult requirements that I have faced for each and every concept, and I will be explaining both. Yes, the course will cover both admin and development. So Nataraj Garu, that's it from my end.
Yeah,
Maybe
thank you,
can
Maanvir.
take it from
Thanks for
here. Yeah.
wonderful, really a wonderful session. Okay, so I feel really it is wonderful. Okay, so guys, how you feel, everyone? So is the session is useful? I'll tell you what is the timings, fee structures, everything I'll tell you. So how is the session, guys? Is today's session is useful? So is it very useful, good, excellent, very good? How it is? Okay. Yeah. Okay, sure. So as I told you, both admin and development will cover. For freshers, yes, Both you need to learn. Yes, yeah. Both you have. It should, Prince Kumar, you have to learn both ServiceNow developer administration. It will be covered in this training. Okay, both will be covered in this training. Okay, as I told you guys. Okay, till now you don't have any direction. You don't have any route. No progress. Okay, you are unsure about your career. Okay, like if you are in this phase. Okay, no decision phase. After 3 months, you will be in this phase. Okay, so you will be learning service now. Then you will be seeing real progress in your career for sure. Okay, and also your career direction and confidence it will be there, and surely you will get the job. Okay, that's my promise, guys. I shared the recording to everyone. I'll share the recording. Yeah, JavaScript also we will covered. Sunil, JavaScript also we will covered. Okay, so career gap and 90% how to apply. We will guide you. We will guide you entire. Okay, I'll be taking the last session also. Okay, this is the first master class, right? After the completion of the session, after the completion of training, I'll tell you how to apply, where to apply. A complete session I'll take career guidance session only. Okay, so we have sent you our community link in the WhatsApp in the WhatsApp community link in the Zoom chart. Please go through that. Okay. See what are the companies will hire. Almost all companies are hiring ServiceNow people. Okay. See all these. Just I have mentioned very few due to space constraint, but almost every company is using ServiceNow. Mid-level, small, startups. Okay. Big companies, MNCs. Every company is using. Please, you don't need to worry about it. Okay. Now, so Sujit, your BTech from the background EC with a fresher, yes, no problem. You can easily get a job. No problem. Don't worry, guys. Okay. So it's a 2 months course, guys. Okay. Even startups also using ServiceNow. Yes, one. Yes. Startups. Yes. Startups, small companies, middle level companies, big companies. Yes. Yeah. So this is 2 months duration, guys. 60 plus hours course. So the timings are 9 to 10 morning IST, evening 9 to 10 IST. Okay, you can join anyone. See, this is the beauty of our institute. No, I can proudly say that no training institute will provide two timings, either morning or joining or evening. Anyone you can choose, please. Okay. So, for example, you joined in morning batch, but tomorrow you are unable to join in morning batch. You can join in evening batch. Same thing will be provided. Okay, whatever there in the morning batch, same thing will be evening batch. 5 days a week. Okay, so this one nowhere, no training institute will provide this kind of things. You have the calls, Sharad, you have the calls for 2+ years also. Okay, so what you will get after this training, guys? After this training, as I told you, we will build the resume based on your experience. If you're a non-IT, IT, or if you're career switch, or whatever, if you have career break or career gap, education gap, whatever it is, please. We will build the resume personally. Okay, Srikanth, BCom plus MBA. Don't worry, you can easily. Yes, you are fitted to service now as a developer. Okay, we will give you the interview questions. Okay, we will give you the interview questions, and I will. Okay, so what I'm saying is I will show you how to apply Naukri, Monster, and LinkedIn. If you are unable to apply or if you are unable to upload your CV, we will take your credentials and we will. Okay, we will take your credentials. Okay, and we will help to upload and get the calls. Okay, we will refer the companies. Okay, guys, we have thousands of students, alumni who are already working. Every company is having openings, so we will make sure that you will get a job. Okay, but only thing you need to do, join the live sessions regularly. See, your effort should be there. Okay, without your effort, nothing can be achieved. Okay, join the live sessions daily, practice at least 2-3 hours daily, whatever it is there. Okay, then practice. If you have 2 hours, practice. If you have 4 hours, practice. If you have 10 hours, practice. You should not leave till you practice. You should not leave till get a job. So that's what, see, everyone what they do. Okay, so they will not, what they do, they'll not focus on the training properly. Okay, they just simply join. Okay, and they will leave after some days. No, please stick on this next 3 months. This is only thing you have. I don't have any other life. Only I have is these 3 months. I need to stick to the service now, and I need to get it. Okay, you should not sleep till you get your job. Like that, if you focus, why you will not get a job, I'll see. If you ask me to show me how many students got the jobs till now, for example, so I have many guys. Okay, I'll show you. I will show you one Google Drive link. Okay. So you will be surprised, okay, by seeing that Google Drive link. I'll just open that. You see, guys, see this case. These are all the jobs got from our previous. See this. You please see. Yeah, lifetime recordings will be provided. After live session, lifetime recording will be provided. You see, please. These many people's, yes, materials will be provided. Yes, you will see this. Okay. You see this, please. These many people got the jobs. They have sent the screenshots that they got the jobs. Okay, see. You please see this. Okay. So these are all the things we got it from the students till now. Okay. There are many screenshots. There are many screenshots, guys. Okay. So you don't need to worry. We will hold your hand. We will hold your hand and we will make sure you that you will get a job for sure. Okay. Yes, please. Clear, guys? Are you there with me? So, did you get the confidence? Everyone, please. Could you please reply confidence? Did you get the confidence from this class? Could you please reply as confidence? I need, write it confidence. Let's start confidence from this word, okay? You have to write it confidence. The confidence will come from that, okay, please. So the only thing, see, I'm saying, okay, I'll be after, suppose you joined this training, okay, last session, once Maanvir has completed all the sessions, last session, I'll take it again. Okay, he will be there with me last session. I'll show you how to upload the resume, how to get the job. That means how to apply the jobs. Okay, where to apply the jobs, from where you can easily get the calls, how to get the calls. If you're career gap, how to try. If you're a fresher, how to try. I will show you guys. The only thing I need is you should daily join the live session. After the live session, minimum 2 hours practice, please. Minimum 2 hours. Okay. Now. So, are you clear, guys? Everyone, are you clear? Can you give clear, please? Okay. Now coming to the fees, guys. Okay. So it is 2 months course. No offline sessions, only online sessions. Freshers are their openings for ServiceNow domain. Yes. Okay. The fees is 19,999, including 18% GST. But if you pay today, okay, I can give the discount till this masterclass ends. Okay, if you pay now, you will get the discount. Okay. After this, see, I'm sending you the link, payment link. You can pay through from PhonePe, GPay or credit card, or PhonePe GPay number also I given. So the name is Rastro Technologies. Okay. So till this session ends, the discount is 16,999. After this, if you ask me, it is 19,999, please. Okay, I have given around 3,000 discount who joined for masterclass only. Okay, so if you ask me anyone who did not join the masterclass, they could have paid 19,999. Okay, so please, I have already sent you. If you want, I will send you the QR code also. I have already sent you the payment link. You can click on that link and you can share the screenshot. Okay, or I have given PhonePe GPay number also. Okay, you please do that. Okay, or QR code. This is the QR code. Okay, so I can send you the QR code also if you want. So you can pay to this QR code. The name will be Rastro Technologies. Okay. Yes, guys. So can you tell me how many people are ready to join our training? Can you say yes? How many people are ready to join our training? And how many people are interested to join our training and to get a job? How many people are interested to get a job? If you join our training, I will show you a path to get a job for sure. I have already shared the QR code also. I have already shared the QR code also. Okay, guys. If you want to transform your career, if you want from this phase to this phase, no decision to decision today, then pay today before 1 second. Guys, the batch is starting from tomorrow. The batch is starting from tomorrow. Okay. So if you wanted to pay, as I told you, you can pay to this. Okay, this is my screen. I will make sure you that. Okay. You will be getting placed for the 17,000 or 16,999, whatever you are paying. For that, I'll make sure you that you will get a job, and also you can work without any job support. Without any job support, please. Okay. So I'll be there for some more time. So these are our, as I told you, these are our, okay, I'll show you this. Yeah, these are our contact numbers. You can WhatsApp us always to these numbers. Okay. And please take 1 minute of time and subscribe our channels, please. Take 1 minute of time. This is our Instagram. Please follow this Instagram, and please subscribe my our YouTube channel. So this is our YouTube channel. Yes, please. So click on subscribe and click on bell icon. Click on this bell icon, please, so that you will get daily updates. Okay. And this is our website, rajcloudtech.com. Okay, we will add you the materials. We will add you the interview questions like this. See the interview questions here. We will add you the ServiceNow interview questions. We'll add you the materials, but these all visible for only the people who are paid. Okay, not for the. So for sample, we have given like this, but we have the different courses available here. Okay, so you no need to worry. So we will keep you engaged, or we will keep you. We will not leave your hand till you get a job. I promise you guys. Yes, guys. Are you there with me? Are you clear? So you want to reach your goal? Do you need to reach your goal in 3 months? Please write it. I'll achieve in 3 months. I'll get a job in 3 months. Please write it in the chat. I'll get a job in 3 months. Write it, please. Let it start from today only. Write it, everyone. I'll get a job in 3 months, please. So it will start from single line. Okay. If you're unable to see, I have 10 years career gap. Can I learn this course? Yes. Yes, you can easily get it. You can easily learn. Write it, guys, everyone. I'll get a job in 3 months. So because how to get the, what is that? How to get career gap 980%? Will class start from tomorrow? Yes. The batch will start from tomorrow. Yes, the batch will start from tomorrow. As I told you, I already sent you the payment link. Okay, this is the phone pay GPay number. Write it, guys. I'll get a job in 3 months. Write it, please. We will change from now. Okay, you people should change from now, not like tomorrow. There is no tomorrow, please. Let's practice from today. Let's practice from today, guys. So if it is installment, you need to pay full fee, please. If you want to get installments, you have to pay the full fee. Okay. So for 17,000, there are no installments, please. We are already giving, because there is 18% GST will go in this. Okay. So it is very difficult to get installment for 16,999, whatever we are saying. Okay. If you want to do the installment, then you have to do the installment for 20,000, please. 19,999. Yeah. Okay. Guys, please write it. I'll get the job in 3 months. Write it, everyone, please. Others also, please write it. So if you want installments, then please contact to my team. Please contact to my team. These are our numbers. If you want installments, but the installments cannot be, it will be for 20,000 only. Okay, I cannot give for 16,999. So these are the numbers. You please call directly, or office address. It is there in the website, please. If you want the office address, it is there in the website. It is there in the website, guys. Yeah, credit card also accepted. I sent you already the link. You can pay from that link. The link is already sent you. You can pay from credit card also. Okay. Yes, please. You don't worry, guys. We have many people got the jobs like this. Many people are there. Okay. There are many people we got the jobs like this. Okay. And they are successfully working in different MNCs without job support, without proxy. I can proudly say that. Okay. If you go to Amirpet, and if you go to any institute, first they will say that you pay 2 lakhs. You pay 2 lakhs. Okay. We will do the proxy. We'll give the job support, but never. Don't worry. Without that, I'll make sure you that you will get a job. Don't worry, guys. Everyone, don't worry.
Sorry to disturb, Nataraj Garu. This is Maanvir.
Yeah.
So there are a
Yes.
lot of people
Please. Yeah. Go ahead.
who are asking how can we like cover the career gap. So I think for
Hmm.
them also you can give the number so we can guide them.
Yeah. See, whatever. Yes, sure. So if you have any doubts, please contact us directly. If you want to speak with me or Manvir, okay, if you wanted, suppose, please ask my team. I want to talk with Raj sir or I want to talk with Manvir sir. Okay, so we will guide you. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. So I have already shared the payment link as I told you. So the offer is only for the people who pay now before I end this session. Okay. Yes, you can talk to Manvir. Don't worry. We will contact you to speak with Manvir. Okay. So don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Really, I'm saying. So as I already shown you, okay, I just what I have done, I just I'll show you that also. Just hold on. Yeah, you see this? I just and see if you want, you can see the reviews from my students. Okay, I'm sending you the reviews. So this is the reviews link. You can log into. See this? Around 464 people are given the reviews for our training, please. You can see this. These are all the people who are working. You can see the profiles also. With not only in India, we have the students from US, UK. Okay, so this person is from another country, please. I can proudly say this. Okay, so he is not from UK or USA also. He is from some other country, guys. Okay, he joined. See, he is from Zambia. You can see this. This guy also given the review for us. You see, please. So these are all the real reviews. Okay. So because without LinkedIn profile, nobody can give you the reviews, guys. Correct? So these are all you can see. Okay. See the reviews from our students. We never left any one of them. Okay. You no need to worry, guys. 1 second, guys. Please hold on. Yes, guys. Till now I got 11 payments. Till now I got 11 payments who availed the discount. Okay. So please make sure that. So how to get the job in other countries will help you. Don't worry. I'll show you other countries. I'll show you how the other countries you need to apply. What are the job portals in other countries? I'll show you. Don't worry. Again, I will. What I do. In the last class, I'll show you in other countries also how to apply. Okay, you can try. You can try globally. How to get with career gap? We will explain you. Don't worry, guys. Please connect with me one-to-one. We'll explain you. So till now I got 12 payments. Yes, guys, don't worry. Okay. So don't worry. So as I told you, I'll show you how to apply. So just simply I applied. I got these many clicks for my profile. Yes, guys. You wanted to apply like this after this training. Do you want to apply like this? Please click on please write it apply. Please write it apply, guys, in the Zoom chat. Guys, are you there? Are you able to hear me? Yeah, we can connect one-to-one. Ajay, you can call us. I given the numbers. Others, guys, please write it apply. So how is the session, guys, overall? So did you get the 49 rupees, whatever you paid, you got the worth? Did you get the worth for 49 rupees? Please write it worth. WRTH. Please write it worth. Yes, please. See, simply we did not taken this, please. Okay. Yes, guys. No need to worry, guys. I am there for you with everyone. Okay. So I am sending you the finally. Okay. If you wanted to avail the discount, so you please, you can take this PhonePe GP numbers. Okay. And the payment link, and you can pay. Okay. And also, for sure, I'll make sure you that you will get a job. Okay. How to connect one to one? I already sent you the phone numbers. Okay. See this. Please call to these numbers. Our team will help you, guys. Our team will surely will help you. If you want to speak with me, then ask Raj sir. Okay, to my team. Ask Raj sir. My team is Karthik, Sudha, Anil, Sagarika, and Padma. Okay, these are my team. You can speak with any one of these people. They will guide you. Okay, and this is our. So as I told you, I already sent you the. Yes, guys, I got 15 payments. Thanks, guys. Thanks for whoever want to change your path from here, from no decision to decision. I welcome all you people, guys. See you from tomorrow. Everyone, see you from tomorrow. So I already sent you my this is my website. This is my YouTube channel link. This is our Instagram page. This is my LinkedIn page. So please connect with me. Okay, you can directly ping me in LinkedIn, or you can ask me my team. My team will always there 24/7 to help you. Okay. Yes, guys. So the discount is for only whoever pay. Okay. Yes, guys. So please connect with me if you need more details. Please connect with my team if you want more details. Okay. Yes, guys. Fine then. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. So, are you confident about your career now? Are you confident about your career now? Everyone, please, can you write it confident? Are you confident about your career? Can you write it as confidence? Confident?
Hi, Raj. Sorry for disturbing you.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So actually, can we pay after 1 hour? I'm having a UPI issue.
Your name, please?
Manohar.
Yeah. Sure, you can pay, no problem. Manohar,
And
right? You
one more
WhatsApp
thing.
me.
Yeah.
Go ahead,
So,
Manohar.
yeah. So you will support till we get job, right?
You can ask me. Okay. First, what I need from you is you need to join the live sessions daily and practice well. If you don't do these two things, you will never get a job. See,
that's
you
fine.
should have, see, this is your life. This is your life. Everyone, not only for you. I'm saying to everyone, okay? This is your life. There should be some seriousness to your life. Correct? Yes or no, please?
Yes.
Manohar, yes or no? Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you honestly, at least 3 months, honestly, you practice well and take the resume from me and apply for the job. If you don't get a job, ask me.
Sure,
Okay.
Raj. Thanks for that.
Yeah. So, but the thing is, I need honesty from you people. If you don't join the live session, if you don't practice, at last, if you come and say that I don't get a job, means I cannot help, please. Okay.
One more thing,
I'll
one
surely.
last thing. So where will be this office? Like it will be there in Hyderabad or Bangalore?
In Bangalore, we are in Bangalore.
Okay.
We do only
Thanks.
online trainings. We are in Bangalore.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Everyone, guys. So this is your life. If you have seriousness, you can join. If you want to change your career, you need some good growth in your life, you can join. But only thing is you need to do hard work. Hard work never fails. Hard work never fails, guys. I'm saying really. Okay, don't worry. Yes, guys. Yeah. So don't worry. We will be there. Our entire team will be there to help you. Okay. And I will again join this at the last session. After the end of the session, I'll take one more career growth session that is entirely on classes start from tomorrow. Batch will start from tomorrow, please. Okay, so we will all, what we will do, we all discuss about each and every one-to-one. Okay, in that session, I'll ask you how many years gap you have, how to apply for that gap. If you have PF, if you don't have PF, what to do? Okay, if you have if you have career gap, or if you have education gap, if you have 10 years experience, if you have 2 years experience, one-to-one, I will connect with you in the last session. You can ask all your clear your doubts and we can go ahead. Okay. Yes, guys. Yeah. Okay. So any age limit? No age limit. No need to worry. No age limit. I'll guide you. Don't worry. No age limit, please. Malika, don't worry. I'm there for you. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you all. Okay. I look forward in the tomorrow session. Okay. So please, I already sent you phone pay GPay numbers and also QR code also I have sent you. So from that, please payment. Okay. And to avail the discount, you can do it. Yes, please. So if you come to me tomorrow, I cannot give the discount, please, for sure. Okay. Yes, guys, don't worry. Yeah. So leave all leave your worries and join the session. Okay. Thank you all, guys. Thanks for joining. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and also please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and comment on the videos, and also please follow our Instagram page. Also, please connect with me on LinkedIn. Okay, and our website rastotech.com. Please visit us. Okay. Thank you all, guys. Thanks for joining. I wish you all the best in your career. Surely we'll get the jobs. Don't worry. Thank you all. See you. Good night. Thank you all, guys. Thanks for joining.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks for joining.
Thank you. Thank you.
And have
Thanks
a
for
good rest
joining.
of the day.
Yeah. Thank you, Maanvir. Thank you.